Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to create a project and assign it to students and evaluate it. First of all, we can see a button Add Project. In here we can see project name, project type and student category and subject. Then we can give problem statement, idea or solution, and these are not mandatory fields. Then we can select group. First of all, we have to create a group and then we can select that group from here and give marks. And these checkboxes are the checkboxes we can check if you want to allow students to edit the problem statements, project idea and all. Then we can see the project here. You can edit it here. You can edit the name, project type or problem statement or idea or solution. And then we can evaluate it from here. View project assignments. Here we can see all the projects submitted by students. We can evaluate it here. You can see all the projects, all the presentations, videos or images which students have submitted. If students have submitted link, we can see that link here. We can take the link from here. We can open videos. We can add comment also. Then we can give marks here, project marks and remarks. And on top we can see who edited, who updated it recently, which student have updated it recently, name and time and date. And let's see in student side, there will be a menu called projects. In that menu, student can see all the projects assigned to him. You can submit the link and there's a description box. He can add his project here, their project here. Thank you.